हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। हाउ आर यू? कैसे हो? ओके, लास्ट टाइम वी हैव परफॉर्म 3 experiment of the vernier calipers. Let we study one more instrument. The name of the instrument is micrometer screw. First, our aim is to measure the diameter of a given sphere using micrometer screw and to find its volume. So let us study about this micrometer screw. This micrometer screw is also known as a screw gauge. Okay, so first let me study here. The name of the instrument is micrometer screw. You can open this by parts, so you can see some divisions on main scale. This scale is known as a main scale, and the distance between two divisions on main scale is 0.1 centimeter. That is called a pitch distance, and there are some divisions on circular scale. This circular scale is called as a vernier scale too, and there are here it is 0, then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So let me note down this main scaling and pitch distance and total division on vernier scale. So pitch distance is 0.1 centimeter and total number of division on circular scale there are 100. So least count is P by N, 0.1 by 100, so it is equal to 0.001 centimeter is the least count of the instrument. Let me find the error. For that, you will close the instrument from the last side. Okay, when it is sufficiently close, it will stop rotating, and at this time note down the matching division number. If matching division here, it is equal to 84 division, so it is an error of minus 16 division, so its value is minus 0.016, so correction will be plus 0.016. Let me note down this error and correction in observation. Matching division was 84, so it is error of minus 16 division. So minus 16 division into least count, its value minus 0.016 centimeter. So correction is plus 0.016 centimeter. Now let we find the diameter of this small sized sphere. For that, you will place the sphere. Now place the sphere between two screws of the micrometer screw or screw gauge like this. Close by the last part. When it will close sufficiently, it will produce the sound tick tick tick. Now observe the main scale reading. How many pitches are seen on the main scale? You can see 6 division on main scale, and matching division is 6th division. Okay, so here again you will lose it, again retight it, rotate the sphere, retight it, again observe the second time. Again the main scale is 6 pitches, that means 0.6 centimeter, and matching division is now 9th division. Third time again lose it, rotate the sphere, retight it, again observe it. The matching division is now 6th division. So let me note down this reading in our observation table. Now let me note down the reading. The first main scale of the vernier micrometer screw was 0.6, so I will write here 0.6. Second time again you go to 0.6, so 0.6 and 0.6. First time matching division was the 6, second time it was 9, and third time it was again 6. So now what is the value of the matching division? 6 into, that is n into LC, LCM is 0.001, 0.006. Second, that is value of the ninth division is 0.009. Value of the sixth division is 0.006 centimeter. Now total value of this, that is A plus B. A is 0.6, B is equal to 0.006. So it is 0.606. In second case it is 0.609. In third case 0.606. Now the average value of this 1, 2 and 3, it is 0.607. This is the observed value, but as in our instrument there was error, so we have to correct the correction. So here error was minus 0.016, so correction is 0.016. Let you add here, so it will be 0.6. 16 plus 7, that is equal to 23, that is 0.623 is the correct diameter of the sphere. Now using this diameter we can find its radius and volume. Now let me substitute the value of the diameter in a formula for the radius and let me find the radius. So R is equal to D by 2, where D is equal to 0.623 dividing by 2. The value is equal to 0.3115 centimeter. Is the radius of the sphere. Let me substitute in the formula for the volume of the sphere. As we know, the volume for the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Substitute all this value, 4 by 3 as it is. Pi is equal to 22 by 7 and the radius is equal to 0.3115 the whole cube. On calculating you will get the answer is equal to 0.1267 centimeter cube of this sphere. So in this way we can find the radius of the sphere and we can find the volume too. The volume of this sphere is 0.1267. Students, please note down this reading in your notebook, record book. We will copy in our journal. Okay. So let me complete this experiment, please. Okay. Bye, beta. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.